does giving someone something give you the right to then monitor how it's used, right? Or if it's used at all? And is returning a gift rude? Would you rather lie and keep a gift you hate or return it? Askana. Ndaita nemoyo zimobva madzosa.
Munoneza kaskana ndikasachipfeka unofanira sesinopfeka chakati.
Kuna sanambogona wakapfeka chakati.
Pamunenda akatochipfeka but usina kuona kuti ndaishese ndachipfeka. But then I for me when it comes to gifts, I'm sentimental about gifts. I'm that person whokuti chero chikaita chiombe chikaita chidiki, I would rather keep it than return it or give it away. Because nenchiti chincha ndakapiwa naningi ichichi. I have a lot of those.
But then you can actually give.
I feel like if I'm giving it away, nafana nunge nachidzore.
I think you can give.
You can give it
away.
away.
Kana usuri kupa the same circle. When ininda kupa then dozona kudza apfeka gift ndakakupa kuti or Sakile apfeka or Ruva apfeka gift ndakakupa. And then ipapo tatone problem. Ndenda apa iwewe.
But kana
apa ikoko kugama dzako ayo apana kana problem.
Yes. Coming back to the second question, Kuti, should you monitor gift? Now I've got rights over it. What's the problem?
No, I just wait.
What's the problem?
I didn't give her. But yes.
Gifts and
no, I'm saying kuti dinda kupa ndi andakupa ruva. Yes. Zvokuti ndikatozona zvinhu zvato awkward. Kuti ndizokuvunza kuti akone iwe ko topiyo
ko kugara ndaramba the problem
kana unoti chiko thank you so much, but then that's not my taste, that's not my sort of thing. That I think that's actually rude.
It's rude.
Yeah.
Is it?
I think
so. On actually give away. What's better? Unozopanda zvimwe kuti gift yacho ndangerungo kudedza kuti ndapa masuggested handitofoona pasuggested munhu ane seneme yakafanana neyangu ari pamasuggested pepe akapfeka chinhu ichocho
pamwe akwereta
apa tinotobatikana kakuti but akadi kugara aite sei.
No, I think idinangu if I've gifted someone, it's good. Yeah. But then if I really gift someone like in a relationship, then it's an honorable thing to actually wear that thing because it shows good yes, exactly.
You appreciate it.
You appreciate it. Yeah. And then I guess in friendships as well, I think it's just good to then see monojaga they got, oh wow, they appreciated it. But in monitor munwangu ndikamupa akasapeka, then I'll be monitoring and I'll actually be hurt.
In a picture yakanzi muno wanono peka kadaro in a picture peka gift. Yeah. But I guess I'm also thinking, what if it's a situation whereby you can tell Kuti this gift in my underlying conditions that I possibly cannot meet. Now rather return it again. Continue to my underlying. My conditions.
Yes.
Because I believe can I need to go I you can do it.
I'm just saying it's just courtesy and it's a kind thing to do. Gifting etiquette. Yeah. So you can send a voice note 0772162651. My friend should know my taste, that way we avoid the awkward situation of me not using it or giving it away.
I think I'm going to know like how when it comes to gifting is the thought that counts, and is it maybe chakato munakira and then in your friend's head she's thinking good, this will look good on moon. But in I guess you nyekuzodzora gift engeri nyekuzotsoma unzi sisi nopfeka guys no idzodzo chete
kana musi one
ndakatoipfeka shenda kubasa but we met per weekend for lunch. I'm not wearing it. Basket, because
and my mom passed away, then my dad remarried, then I bought my dad a phone and he gave it to his wife. I was hurt. You see, guys, right. Yeah. Right.
mutu wodzima uchikuchitsira mahede zajiseka wakarambo chiti deti